It's your boy, Tjpardy 239 with another video. And today, we'll be making a paper popper. And at school, these things are really popular. And I'm thinking, what's the best way to annoy my teachers? Make a popper. So I'll be teaching you how to make a popper. So for this build, and so for this paper, instead of using the traditional square pieces of paper, we're going to be using a printer paper, rectangular piece of paper. So I hope you guys will enjoy the video. So let's dive right into it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get this side right here and fold it in half, just like this. Make sure it's exact, or it might not work. Yeah. That crease it really good. Make sure to crease it. Yep. And yep, it should look like this. Do you see this crease right here? Okay, and now what you want to do is you want to hold it like this and set it down. So now what you want to do is you're gonna get this side right here, and you're gonna fold it down on that crease you made. So just like make sure to crease it really well. So it should look like this. And again, this is like really simple, and like a 5-year-old can make this. Okay, so now when you crease it, right, you're going to flip it. Not flip it, but you're going to get this part and just do this with it. So it should look like this. And now what you're going to do is you're going to do this. You're going to get this part right here, and you're going to fold it in half. So like I'm getting this point, this corner right here, and folding it back around to this point right here. So let's try it. Make sure it is exact as you want, exact as you can be, right? And then turn around, and this is what it looks like. Okay, and now what you do is you get like this thing right here, and you're just gonna pull it out a little bit. Yep. And so it should look this. So it should look like this. But I'll do it again for you. At this point, put it out a little bit. Get these 2 points. Yep. Okay. And so depending on how loud you want it to be, if it's like this, it's gonna be easier to detonate. I'll use that word, detonate. But it'll make like a weaker sound. But if you do it like this, like kind of like tight like this, it'll be really loud but harder to go off. Okay, I'll use go off. So I'm gonna show you guys a live demonstration of this popper. Well, it's not live, but you know what I mean. Okay, guys. So here's your demonstration. So first, I'm gonna do like a not so very loud version, but it's gonna be like really easy to go off. So I might get it first try. I don't know. I'm not really good at doing this. But okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. That's kind of loud, but I don't know. Okay, so now all you have to do. So now to reload it, all you have to do is do this. Fold it again, and then on that crease you made, fold it back, and it's reloaded. So now I'm gonna try. So now I'm gonna try to make a really big pop, but it's gonna be kind of hard to detonate. It might take me like 5 tries. I don't know. So I'm just gonna make it as small. This thing as small as I can. I think that's good. Okay, 3, 2, 1. First try. I think that was pretty good. Well, I hope you guys thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video with your friends. And remember, this is a great way to annoy teachers. I don't encourage this. I don't encourage this. But just try. I will see you guys later. Bye.